How to bulk import and export products on Wcart. We first need to ensure the right tools are enabled. From your main dashboard, let's head over to the plugin settings. Look for the Import Do Export plugin. Click Activate to add this functionality to your store. Now, navigate to Manage Products on your sidebar. This page lists every item in your inventory. To add items in volume, look to the top right and click Bulk Upload. First, select your product type. We'll use Simple for this demo. Next, simply drag and drop your CSV file or select it from your computer. Once the file is attached, hit Submit to begin the mapping process. Wcart automatically maps your CSV columns to the store's data fields. Take a quick scroll to ensure your prices, SKUs, and categories align correctly. Scroll to the bottom, click Submit, and you're done. Your bulk upload is processed instantly. You can now click View Products to see your newly added inventory live in the system. If you ever need to pull your data out for offline editing or backups, the process is just as easy. Click Export on the product page. Choose your preferred format like Excel or CSV, and your download will start immediately. Thank you for watching.